I'm going to show you how we turn these boring chords into a massive track. In this arrangement tutorial, you're gonna see how we turn these basic chords into a proper chord progression. Now, what we began with sounds like this. This chord progression has so many errors, so let's dive in how to fix it. First of all, the overall structure is missing the most important part, as you're not feeling it becoming a full circle of motions, because the final step, which should be the resolving, is missing. It is easy to fix that, we just need to change the final notes so they would lead towards the first chords and connects the sequence together. From a sound engineer perspective, there is much more to be done. The range of notes are too wide. This needs to be narrowed for a more even frequency distribution, because this helps a lot with mixing. This modification results in a more constant volume and frequency presence, so it's naturally reducing the dynamic range. The common problem with low notes and bass lines is that some of the notes are so low that they become muted and others would sound much louder. This is especially true for sub-bass content, so be sure to check out your basses with heavily low-pass filtered setting so you can hear how the energy is getting lost on higher notes and gets exponentially amplified on lower ones. This is a big mistake, so narrowing down the bass line is essential, because too big range results as unmixable content. After dealing with the bass line, it was time to work those chords and give them real uplifting feeling. By applying connection chords, the progression feels more developed and engaging to the listener. We finally use the classic delay that helps gluing the harmony together. Delays are overlapping on each other, as a result, they strengthen the harmonization. Stay tuned for the next episode where we get our rhythmic section done.